Vanti is a smart technology integrator, specifically within the built environment. Although we didn't coin the phrase, there's one out there called a MSI, or a Master Systems Integrator, that's been floating around for about 5 years now, and that's something that we very much see ourselves at the forefront of. Vanti was founded in 2006 by Raj, who was then swiftly joined by Mike Bruman. They're both still actively involved in the business, both as CTO and CEO, respectively. The business was founded out of providing IT and AV services, which is where we found the company name of Vanti, so IT and AV backwards. However, we've subsequently grown out of that into this MSI term that we've labelled ourselves as today. So we can engage with a client at any point during a building lifecycle, whether that be advisory services at the point of concept, all the way through to design at design stage, through to being built, and then once completion happens, we can actually provide service agreements at the end of that as well. Vanti has several USPs, or unique selling points. We have an inbuilt product called SmartCore. SmartCore is a BOS, or a building operating system, that really helps us with the smart enablement of buildings for clients. A recent example of a SmartCore deployment was where we affected the lighting controls of the building, so that meant that we were able to automate when all of the lights were turned on during the morning and then off during the night, and then allowing for things like brightness. Where it can get really clever is when we can introduce things like a visitor management system, so we know what employees or what visitors are deploying in certain levels of the building. So then if we know that, say for example, no one is being used on level 5, we can then turn off all the electricity and all of the power to level 5, which really helps then with things like ESG credentials and providing efficiency for the building. By becoming a certified B Corp, it demonstrates Vanti's commitment to high standards of social and environmental performance. We genuinely strive to be a business which walks the walk when it comes to having a positive impact on both the team and the wider community. Because Vanti offer multiple services across the entire building's life cycle, we have a wide variety of clients. So that could be property developers, blue chip clients, as well as people like landlords and owners of buildings as well. So we've been working with some blue chip clients recently, which includes the Crown Estates, MEPC, Bruntwood, Kia and Allianz, just to name a few. Recent smart deployments include One Centenary Way and Enterprise Wharf in Birmingham, which is great for us being a Birmingham-based business, as well as some more older deployments in London, based in Southwark, as well as the Lodge, which is part of the Tottenham Hotspur Group. So as part of our growth journey, we've recently been awarded 1.5 million worth of debt funding, and that's been provided by the MEIF. Following the debt funding received, we're now also out for equity as well, to really push on our growth plans for the business. So the majority of the funding will be spent on staff across all departments to support the demand that we're receiving. So Vanti has grown organically to date, with turnover of around 4.3 million and having about 45 staff. As part of our 5-year plan, we're looking to increase both of those to around 36 million in revenue and around 160 staff. Part of that 36 million, we're really looking to push on our recurring revenue, so that's through things like our service agreement, as well as our products, SmartCore.